Hello guys, doing it again, and this is Christmas today guys. At the time, this is a new unboxing video, and as you can see right there, it's already right there. Yes, this is another unboxing. This is the second unboxing after the one about Garten of Banban plushie, as we all know. So we're gonna be going unboxing today. So we're gonna be actually seeing an opening thing, and it's my present. I think it's from Santa Claus, I think. And today we're gonna go wrap this up and seeing this thing, since this is the second vlogging one. So let's go make it series. So we're just gonna go open. Okay, this is that's a Finch box. Okay, so well now at the time we should better ignore the background sound. So at the time, I literally become a Jurassic Park fan since months ago, and yes, this is yeah, some other parts. Yeah, you can't really feel what I am. Okay, and we should better ignore that. Yeah. So today we're unboxing this Gigantosaurus. Yeah. Yeah, we should have fun seeing this since it's Christmas. So I'm gonna go unboxing in a minute, and you already know those white things there. I'll show you this. This is so cool. Okay. Another way. And excuse me, I'm not gonna be going face to face. Okay, so this is the thing, and yeah. Okay, so I'm actually gonna open this is yes. Let's go with a full detail about it. Okay, so this is kind of like a crazy unboxing, and at the time, I like how it's actually like how those my sister. Okay, so we should just check out at the time seeing this cool part, and might not know okay, so I actually like that model a lot. That would be a cool moment, like I could be using this for my display. And yeah, the third unboxing would be my Spinosaurus, like in the future. Let's just see it. Yeah, that would be my third unboxing video. Since since I made the first one about plushie unboxing, this time I made a second unboxing about this. This is actually now like a dinosaur content for the first time. Yeah, and at the time, it is cool, and I like this model a lot, and I might want to display for my setup in the computer. If you want to see the setup, comment down below. If you really want to see my setup, then I'll show you to you. And yeah, this is what my setup would look like if I put this one on the scene. And Yeah, I will put it right next to the computer, and you might actually excited to see it back in the next video. Okay, so this is next is the background, and it's actually cool. And at the time, I might actually put this on that, and I kind of like this is an actual cool part where you'll, yeah, see this, and done, yeah. So this is actually what a cool part, and what I like is, at the time, I would like to see this, and yes, well, let me get the phone. So today, the date is, it's already 12/13, December 25. So it's Christmas today, guys. Christmas Eve is over. It's Christmas today. And I hope you notice about it. I'll be making a next video for my third unboxing, and you might actually know it will be cool offer to see this. At the time, I hope you, yeah, I hope you like to see this unboxing. And yet, the third one, the upcoming one, will be actually in the kitchen, just like the first one. Okay, well, since then, I hope that you actually know that I'm going to be putting it a setup like last time. So I hope you guys at the time seeing this, just comment down below if you really want to see my setup. And yeah, I'll be making another video if you guys really wish this video like more 100 likes. Well, if you didn't reach, I'm not sure, but I'll be uploading it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information about it. And for those Jurassic Park fans watching this video, this is actually like the first AV to vlogging unboxing about this Jurassic World. Sorry about it, my throat. Really, well, I hope you guys like seeing this video. Well, I'll see you guys next in the video. I hope see you guys in the next video. 2 idiot.